So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is the 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Saggy, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 17 till the 23rd of Feb. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Trust me on that. Now let's start, Saggies. Let's see what we have. Okay, now let's start. 17th, we have the clinging to the past. Something or someone from your past might show up in your energies again so that you can heal it and release it properly. It's not coming back to hurt you, to like teach you a lesson or something, but it's coming back to you so that you can properly heal it, release it, and not cling to it again and again and again. Yeah, work on this. 18th, we have the courage. Now the 18th, on the 18th of Feb, you should have the courage and the like strength in order to achieve something that other might feel like an impossible task, kind of a deal. But if you have this trust on yourself, if you have the faith in yourself, and you know you can achieve something, even if it is something that other people are saying impossible to achieve, you can achieve that. You have this energy. Now you have to work on this. You have to stand alone. You have to stay courageous and stand in your power. You will definitely be able to, get the results, get the impossible done if you are not going to give up. 19th, we have the laziness. On the 19th of Feb, you have this tendency of, taking a break or doing nothing and just going on a vacation kind of a mode, just maybe laying on your bed and doing nothing. But do not procrastinate the important things that you should be doing on that particular day only, because it's going to bother you afterwards, honey. Yeah, enjoy your day, but do not procrastinate important things. It's very important for you to finish the task of that day or on that day only. That's the deal. Hmm. 20th, we have the flowering. So the more you are going to stay in touch with your creative and feminine side, the more it's going to be like easy for you to flourish in actually every area of your life. So creativity and feminine side kind of energy is going to be more enhanced, and then you are going to flourish and you are going to flower like a beautiful flower in actually every area of your life. 17, 18, 19, 20. 21st, we have the morality. Now on the 21st of Feb, you might have this fight with somebody or disagreements with somebody on some kind of moral grounds. Don't worry about it. You are a different person, like different people, different version, different people, different energies. So if you are feeling like you are stuck on some kind of moral ground that yours is only good and other people stink or stuck, don't feel like that. Please don't behave like that. Okay, honey? So you should understand other people's point of view as well, other people's energies as well, and if you can't respect it, just stay quiet and move on. Yeah, don't have to create a scene here. 22nd, we have the integration. Now on the 22nd of Feb, if you have to make any kind of decision in your life, you have to integrate your yin and yang energy. It's like basically you have to integrate your divine feminine and divine masculine energy, and once you are going to have a balanced kind of energy within yourself, then you can make the decision in a much more clearer and wiser way, right? Okay, now intensity on the 23rd of Feb. Now on the 23rd of Feb, you are going to get a very intense energy, very intense urge, and very intense desire to get something done, to go in a particular direction and do it. Just do it kind of energy. So definitely you should definitely use this intensity to create something really beautiful. But if you feel that this intense energy is coming for you to destroy something that you should not be doing, stop doing that. Don't do that. Try to calm down, try to stay relaxed, and then do this, right? Whatever it is, but you have to have a very calm and composed kind of energy in order to uh, deal with this kind of intensity. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.